Our busy lifestyles make it difficult for many of us to get the essential nutrients our bodies need. Native to the southern foothills of the Himalayas, Moringa is a truly incredible discovery. The tree is often referred to as the miracle tree, which is understandable when you learn that Moringa contains a unique combination of vitamins, minerals and amino acids that make it one of the most nutritious plants ever discovered. Throughout the world, scientists are praising Moringa as a nutritional miracle due to its incredible balance of nutrients. Groups such as UNICEF, World Vision and many others are now supporting the use of the miracle tree to help undernourished people in parts of Africa. While most fruits and vegetables contain high amounts of one nutrient, Moringa is a powerhouse of many. Gram for gram, Moringa contains 24 times the iron of spinach, 15 times the potassium of bananas, 9 times the vitamin A of carrots, 16 times the calcium of milk, and every essential amino acid your body needs. While being newly discovered by the scientific world, Moringa has been treasured by many societies for thousands of years. In some parts of the world, Moringa seeds are used to purify water due to their ability to remove harmful material. It's believed that the same process also takes place in the body when Moringa seeds are consumed. Ancient tradition and modern research both attest the power of Moringa. Think of what Moringa could do for you. Experience the miracle.